Basically, my artwork is based on the observation of the city landscape. At first, I walk around the city, then photographing interesting points there. It's just a fragment of the city, but based on the photo, I abstract symbolic image through drawing process. Also in this time, wall design is composed by my drawing based on the city observation. So I have one image that the city element in the reality back to the city by another form as art. In my making design, I tried to characteristic of this building. This type of architecture is familiar with me as Japanese. Especially, it's so similar with my elementary school somehow. Anyway, at first, I was attracted by the straight line of this architecture, so I tried to use this characteristic by combining with my drawing image. Color is also an important factor, especially big color field could give people emotional effect. I want to use simple color combination by using mainly blue and yellow. I didn't see often like this color combination in the real city. I expected that the children could attract this color and the shape of the wall. Then they end up to like to stay at the library. As a deviation, I love to stay at the library. From my childhood, I became calm by surrounding by many of books. It's like a forest. So also, it was one other motivation to work in this time.